Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to learn self-taught computer science in yourself. So before getting to the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And by the way, our main focus on web development. So let's get started. Giving a surprise gift. So if you until watch this end of the video, I will share this gift for everything who watching this video. So don't forget to claim my gift. So okay. As a beginner, you want to have a programming knowledge you want to have if you want to learn computer science. In the first step you want to do is how programming languages works on computer, what they do, what they're functioning and how they using. So in first you want to learn Python because Python is the most beginner friendly programming language that in this market and one of the most famous programming language in this field. So the basic thing is you don't need to learn more complex things. In this thing you want only improve your basic and how make sense of the loops, conditional statements and data types, what is variable, that sort of things you want to. Every computer science learner want to know how HTML and CSS works on your computers and why they're doing what they happening on those piece of words. Mainly HTML and CSS are using to build websites. So as a beginner, or no, if you are a computer science learner, you want to spend 1 or 2 months on HTML and CSS. That's a good idea because now you have a good idea on basic Python, basic HTML and CSS. That means you have a good understanding on those technologies stuff, and that means you are now in a good beginner position. Now you can go into the more advanced things. So let's get into the next step. After following those two things, I actually recommend to follow this thing is learn JavaScript because that's a programming language and the one of the most famous programming language in this world, because JavaScript mostly using app development and website interactive interface making. So if you are a beginner, I think learning JavaScript in the beginning is so much harder, but after you spending something like a 2 to 2.5 months, then you will feel, oh, JavaScript not that hard. So yeah, beginning is hard, but after you make sense of that, that's not a piece of a cake. So try JavaScript. Then after the JavaScript learn, you want to go into the one of the most important part in computer science, that is data structures and algorithms. Data structures and algorithm teaches how to approach problem solving abilities and find efficient way to solve any problem. So understanding algorithms helps in designing efficient algorithms for tasks like searching, sorting, filtering. I know if you go into the also something if you search Amazon, then you will find out when you press any word, then you will list out some sort of searching keywords. So that the data structures and algorithms are help you to improve your quality of your skill. So data with the web application, this can significantly improve user experience and making app faster and more responsive to client. So even though DSA might not directly apply to every web development task, but if it equips your problem solving abilities, efficiencies and the broad skill set that can enhance your overall skill. So please keep this tool in your skill box that make you a more value person. So if you are up for a challenge, it's definitely worth adding DSA in your skill set. I think you got it, those things. Alright, for wrap up for today's videos on self-taught computer science, I got it. So I hope you enjoy this video, but video not end because I'm going to give a summarize things, and at the beginning I promised to give you a surprise gift, so you wait until the end of this video. So remember, becoming a computer science wise takes some time. It's sometimes like 4 years, 5 years, especially if you self-learn something, like you can learn it in 2.5 years, because you are dedicating in one of the aim part. If you're not learning everything, you're learning something that very important for your passion. So in a degree you will learn 4 years, but if you learn in something like web development, it will take 2.5 years. Okay, before you going to sign off, please quick recap of what we covered. So in the first we will learn what is programming foundation, what is programming working. Then we learn HTML and CSS. After that JavaScript and important of JavaScript. Then data structures and algorithm, most important part in this video. So that's all. Then if this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for my video. So if you are any questions and any problems, feel free to ask anything in comment box. I will help you to anything. So yeah, I love hearing from you all. So next video I'm going to related to any web development, so please comment what you want in next video. So until then, goodbye, see you, tata.